Hey guys, it's Peyton, and today we will be making a paper it's like microwave and a picture frame for like Monster High. So technically a Monster High microwave and a Monster High picture. So all you will need is some newspaper that has microwave on it and a picture frame right there. So we'll just have a bunch of items and all that. So next you'll need a cardboard box, a pen, and scissors that cut really nice. So let's get to it. Whoa! So cut out a square like this. So the square should just look like this, even on all four sides. Next thing you want to do is cut out your microwave. So after you got your little tiny microwave cut out, trace it onto here with your pen, and yeah. After you got traced, cut it out. So now you have this and this that are equal sizes. Now trace another one on this and then cut it out. So guys, this is what you get when you make two of them. So just make two. And then the next thing you want, when you have your extras and all that, what you want to really do is, you get, okay, it's kind of tricky. You see, you line it up with the edge of your paper, well, your cardboard, and then you get your pen, and then just make three of these, I guess. Make three of these, so, yeah. So, after you have made three of these things, next thing you want to do with your, third one, make sure that it is the same length as your other ones. So, like this. Put them like that. And you mark it down and see how long. And I will show you what to do. So, you draw a line of how long you want it to be. So, you could use a ruler if you want. Do it like that, and that's how long it will be. But make sure to cut it straight, like that, and you make two. Make sure to place it on the one you were using. And now when you have two of them, you want to get your your other pieces, and then on the sides, these will be your sides, and you hook them up into a box, and then you will glue your microwave picture onto it, and then we'll add some more stuff to it. So let me just do that real fast. Actually, what else I forgot to do after you made your box, you want to make your very top and bottom. So just cut out another shape of this. And then what you're going to want to do is make long figures of it. So here. So this is what the box looks like. Looks like that. You know. Yeah. So now I'm gonna put the microwave picture on. So yeah. So this is what the microwave should look like when it is all done. But now we have to do, like, on this, I'm gonna clip out long black stripes, and I'm gonna decorate it. So just like the edges and stuff to make it look, I don't know, but here we go. This is optional if you want to do it. I'm just putting blacks around the edges. So, yeah. So this is what some of it looks like so far. Wow. Yeah. So now I have to finish the microwave, and then next we'll do the picture. So guys, I'm finished with the microwave. That's what it should look like. The back was totally optional, so microwave looks cool. So next, moving on to the picture frame stuff. First, what you want to do is cut out a little square, and then cut out your picture that you want. When you got it cut out, tape it to this thing. So yeah, tape it on. So this is what it looks like when it's all taped on. Yeah. And then you want, next you want to cut out a little black piece and tape it onto here. And then there you have it, your microwave, your picture frame. And maybe in next week's video, I will teach you guys how to make the chocolate, and a hairstyling book. Maybe in next week's video. And right now, I am kind of making a big, huge dresser for them outside. So maybe I'll teach you how to make that in next week's video. Well, anyways, this is Peyton on 7 Exciting Stars, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Fantastic day, actually. And